What do you think it is?
Huh?
What do you think? What do you think?
Ready?
Ready for Travis?
Where's Cody?
Cody.
Who's?
Cody, come here.
Come on, guys. Everything's a challenge.
Oh, okay. If it's a Hummer,
It
I'm mad.
matches what they got.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Put the stuff down.
Hey, put it down, Travis.
No, put your toy down. Just
Put your toys down. You're going outside. Okay, go. Come on. Come on.
Hey, Melissa.
Travis, come on, Travis.
Come on, Travis.
Let's go.
Go wait for Travis.
Hurry up, go.
Come on, Travis.
Oh, Santa took yours away.
Come on, Travis.
Come here.
Holy moly, Travis, Melissa. Got your own motorcycles. Got your own motorcycle.
What do you think? Oh, wow. Look at these guys.
Wait. What'd you drop? Your DS? Let me have your DS. I'm not quite sure how they
Oh, wow.
Wait, how's it gonna steer? Oh! Here, Mom! Here! How's it
Here, Kaden, come here.
It's so funny.
Alright, now.
That is cute. Whoa! Whoa!
Let go of it.
Don't let go.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Trying to run Mem all over, huh?
Yours does that too, but I don't know how to make it work. Oh, yours has a foot pedal. Right here.
Whoa! Oh. Stop.
You gotta go now this way.